in Picayune Strand this morning. Off and on rain showers. It's actually really nice because it's keeping the dust down on the roads and it's keeping the temperature down a bit. So it's really pleasant driving. I'm out with my friend Mike Frazier. He's behind me. He just picked up a Jeep JL Wrangler last night, texted me about 8 o'clock, and I said, I will meet you at 8 in the morning. So here we are in Picayune Strand. Oh, what are we coming up on here? A couple of turkeys. Turkey! Gobble gobble! Hello, turkey! That's awesome. So we're having a really good time just driving around exploring Picayune Strand in the rain. The rain is actually going to pass here in about 30 minutes or so. It's a thin band, so that'll be really nice when the sun breaks out. Having some great ideas. We're really enjoying conversation about Jeeping, about Picayune Strand in general, and just coming up with some really great ideas about things that we'd like to do in the future regarding our own individual social media channels and websites that we've got going on. Just a neat time to share. So great opportunity to get outside, enjoying the rain, enjoying the drive. I think Mike's enjoying himself immensely. He traded in his Porsche Boxster for a Jeep JL and is impressed so far with the Jeep. And we're having a good time out here. Duck season, we've passed a couple of duck hunters, and I did see some turkeys earlier on the road. We'll probably see some more further south here. We're going to head all the way down Everglades Boulevard to the end and then come back up, run over Stewart back to Miller, and then out via Sable Palm Trail, which was the way that we came in.